In Pakistan, over 21 million people still lack access to clean drinking water. From the dry deserts of Tharparkar to the overcrowded urban slums, families walk miles every day just to collect a few liters of water. Children miss school, mothers wait for hours, and entire communities suffer from preventable waterborne diseases. Water scarcity is not just a challenge, it's a daily crisis that steals lives and futures. The FAST Rural Development Program is bringing clean water to those who need it most. We've installed thousands of water wells, solar-powered water systems, and reverse osmosis RO plants across all provinces of Pakistan. From Sindh to Balochistan, Punjab to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we are reaching the most underserved communities. Every drop counts. Every well brings life. You can be part of this life-changing mission. Donate today through our website and help us bring clean water to more families in need. Follow FRDP Pakistan on social media and share our message, because your support can save lives. Together, we can create a future where no one is left thirsty. .frdpinternational.org